Hello everyone. I am Madhurendra Tripathi and in this video I will show you how to use Xcode to write and run C and C++ programs. Xcode is a handy beautiful tool which comes installed with Mac OS, and unless you have removed it manually, you can find it in your applications folder or by performing a spotlight search. And if you have removed it manually, you can always reinstall it from the App Store. In order to reinstall Xcode, just navigate to the App Store and search for Xcode. Once you land on the search page results of Xcode, click on the install icon over here. And now that we are all on the same page, let's open Xcode by performing a Spotlight search. Use the keyboard shortcut Command Spacebar in order to open Spotlight search and search for Xcode. If my Spotlight search looks a bit different from yours, it's because I'm using an alternative to Spotlight called Alfred. Alfred is faster and has more utilities. Let me know if you want a video on productivity boosting tips and tools in the comment section below. And now hit enter to open Xcode. And when you land onto the welcome page of Xcode, click on create a new project. When you come onto this page, you need to select macOS and then click on command line tools and then click next. In the product name, you can give the name of the folder which you want to create your programs inside. So let me name it my programs. And in organization identifier, just give your name. Make sure that you do it, because if you don't give your name over there, you cannot move to the next step. So make sure that you give your name over there. And here in language, you can select C, C++, Objective-C, and then Swift. So for now, let me go with C, and then I'll click on next. And now it is asking me to select a location where I want to create my folders. So I'll be doing it on the desktop. Let me click create. Give it some time to create your project. And once you land onto the project settings page, you can see there is a folder called My Programs, inside which you have a main.c program. Let me make it full screen. And here, when you go to main.c program, already there's a pre-written code. You can just erase all the comments and you can change it however you want. For now, there's already a Hello World program pre-written. So we'll try to run it. So click on the run icon over here to run the program, or you can also use the keyboard shortcut Command R in order to run the program directly. And there's a prompt saying that build is succeeded. And you'll have a small little bar over here, which you can pull up and your output will be shown here. Just give it a second, because the initial run takes a little bit of time. And after that, the execution time is pretty much instant. And there you go, guys. You can see the hello world output is already here. So let me try to make some changes. So I'll just remove all this command line arguments. Let me know if you want a video on command line arguments in C programming as well. So for now, I'll remove it. And then let's take a scanf statement also. And I'm done writing the program. It's a pretty simple program which takes the user's name as its input and then prints out hello to the user. So now I'll run the program. This time I'll be using the keyboard shortcut Command R to run the program. And as you can see, I have a prompt build succeeded. And now this area is like the input output area, guys. So whatever the input or output the program wants to either take in or give out will be shown here. So let me enter my name and I'll click enter. So as you can see, I have an output saying hello Madhurendra. So this is how you run C programs in Xcode. Running C++ programs is also pretty much the same. You just need to select the language as C++ while configuring your project, and after that write your C++ program, and rest everything is the same. Let me tell you how to add more and more programs into the same project so that you don't have to create a new project for every program. For that, first go to File in your menu bar, and then inside New, click on Target. And when on this page, select macOS and search for command line tools. And click on command line tool, click next, and name your product again. So now here I'll be naming my product as even odd program. And then I'll click finish. And instantly you can see an even odd program folder has been created inside my project. Let me expand it. And inside that I have a main.c program with the same hello world code again inside it. So let me run this program and see the output. Okay, the build was succeeded, but there is something weird going on. Here I should have gotten an output, hello world, but it is asking me to enter my name. So it is basically running the same old program here. Then how do I run this program? So, okay, before telling that, let me stop this program. So just beside the run icon, you have a stop icon. Click on that to stop your program. And now just beside it, you have my programs and Mac. Set the active scheme is being shown here, right? So click on that and then click on even odd program. And now the output has been changed to even odd program. And now when you run your program using the command shortcut command R, or either by clicking on this run icon, you can see the hello world output is being shown here. So this is how you can add more and more programs into the same project. So that is it for this video, guys. I will be coming up with another video explaining few key features of Xcode. Please stay tuned for that and like this video if you found it helpful. Share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel to not miss out on the upcoming video. Thank you.